Hello everyone! Welcome! This is Teacher Ems. Today we are going to discuss about a new topic entitled We Filipinos Are Mild Drinkers by Alejandro Roses. We Filipinos are mild drinkers. We drink for only 3 good reasons. We drink when we are sad, we drink when we are happy, and we drink for any other reason. Hi, I'm Joe. I'm an American soldier. That is the name given to us by many Filipinos during World War II. I have drunk everything: whiskey, rum, brandy, tequila, gin, champagne, sake, vodka. I don't only drink a lot, I drink everything.
I am a Filipino farmer. The story happened in the year 1945, when the liberation forces landed in the Philippines. It took place specifically in the barrio, where I was living as the narrator of the story. The point of view is first person. It was a homicide to see American soldiers almost everywhere, because American troops helped the Philippines fight against the Japanese. One afternoon, while I was plowing through the fields, Joe approached me to ask for liquor. I noticed he was carrying a half-pint bottle of whiskey. Hey, Joe.
Any bars in this town?
There are no bars in this barrio.
Where can I buy more whiskey? Here is the drink.
No, thank you, Joe. We Filipinos are mild drinkers. Since there were no bars in the barrio, I invited the soldier to my nipa hut and offered some lambanog, the famous Filipino liquor made out of coconut stuff.
Jungle juice, eh? This place is full of coconut palms.
Don't you have coconut trees in America?
No, back in God's country, we have the pine trees.
The pine tree symbolizes America because it goes up straight to the sky, like a skyscraper. On the other hand, the coconut represents the Philippines because it stands up to the sky, but it sleeps way down to the earth, remembering the land that gave its life. When we arrived, I picked some calamansi to serve us for chaser.
What's that?
It's Philippine lemon. When Joe drank the lambanog, he felt a mind-blowing sensation and started to feel dizzy. On the other hand, I was just feeling normal when Joe got drunk. He thought I was a Japanese soldier and my mother, who walked into the house, was mistaken as a geisha. Joe stood up and went straight to my mother. My mother ran out of the house screaming. Screams alarmed the entire barrio and everyone came out, armed with guns and knives. They all thought that the Japanese invaded the village. After hallucinating, the soldier passed out and fell asleep. Just goes to show that one man's drink is another man's poison. I brought Joe back to the garrison because he was so drunk. When Joe's friend saw me, he asked me to join them for a drink.
Let's drink.
No thanks. We Filipinos are mild drinkers.
And that is how the story ended. It talks about Filipino hospitality and humbleness as well as the differences between American and Filipino culture. It only boils down to one question. Are we Filipinos really mild drinkers?